Frustrated by the Tsscore Core Library DLL pop-up crashing your app? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the cause and fix it for good. To begin our Tsscore Core Library troubleshooting, choose between the manual path or a resource for standardized maintenance. This is the Tsscore Core Library, the Microsoft Terminal Services Core Library. It is responsible for the foundational session management logic of remote desktop and fast user switching. If missing, users will be unable to switch between Windows accounts without logging off, and remote desktop sessions will disconnect immediately after the login screen, reporting a protocol error. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. This is a Windows integrity issue involving a protected system file. Use an administrator command prompt to run sfc/scan now and allow Windows to automatically repair files like Tsscore Core Library DLL. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Tsscore Core library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup dash image space / restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install Tsscore Core Library DLL into directories where it doesn't belong. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. For users seeking clearer system diagnostics, the link in the description references tools related to managing the Tsscore Core library environment. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter Tsscore Core library critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.